Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with this channel. In this video we will create this portfolio website using React.js with Bootstrap. So I have created this and it is a demo for that. So now we will create this in this video. Okay, so the navbar and the text, typewriter, the links and your email, it is fully responsive. Okay, it is also for mobile and desktop devices. Animation about, and also again where you have worked, see it, take it, okay, and also the projects that you have created and the contact, you can contact with us, and the footer. Let's check it for mobile now. So it looks like for mobile like this, okay, and about where you have worked, my projects, also the touch and the footer. So this is the demo. So now we will create this. Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first of all, I created the project by the name of portfolio, okay, npx create react app and portfolio name of that. Then I installed Bootstrap in my Bootstrap. Then AOS is for animation and scroll, and also typewriter effect. I installed this for writing effect. So after installing this, so let's start. First of all, we will create navbar. I will create a component, name of now, and there I will create a file now.js. In now.js I will write the navbar. React functional component, so for the navbar I will come here and just bootstrap navbar. Just copy this and come here and paste that here, and let's remove this form and bg not light, the bg should be transparent, bg transparent, and the navbar should be margin right. Now margin start auto, this should be to the right side, the navbar, and let's start the server. Npm start, it will start the server now. I didn't import, so first of all I will import the navbar here in the index page. I will import that here. I will remove this and import navbar and use the navbar here. Now let's see it. We have the navbar, we didn't import the Bootstrap, so let's import the Bootstrap in the index file. Here I will import the Bootstrap, import Bootstrap yes. See it, we have the navbar, but why like this? So let's expand it on the MD medium devices and let's check it. Yeah, it looks like this, but now we should bring it to the right side. This should be margin start R2 Yeah, we have that. And also let's add a container here, class name container. We have now this, and let's remove this disabled. So now I will remove this span tag and also change this to the about, and the second one to services, and the third one to projects, and also one for contact, and this would be contact. And now let's create a button for resume. I will create a button, and assign a name to this to resume, and class name. Also the background will be transparent, and yeah, we wrote this. So now let's check it once. See it now. Right now it looks like this. So I will add a little bit CSS design to this. Okay, I will create another file now .css already created, and I will add some CSS design to this. Okay, I will pause the video, then I will start back. So I have designed it. See it, I have changed the color, and also the navbar, instead of navbar I write Yusuf, and also I added 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4 to this, and also added the button. Okay, see it, I have designed this. I wrote this CSS code. See it, first of all where I created two variable for color, cyan and gray color, and then the navbar brand. Okay, the navbar brand. Okay, for this design is, and also for a tag, and for span tag, which is for 0, 1, 2 per numbers, and also for button. I have wrote this code. So now the next thing is that to make the background of this black, and also add home page now here. Okay, so let's do that. So before doing that, we should make it responsive for mobile. Okay, right now it is not working, so let's add add the new bar. I will add the Bootstrap, import Bootstrap and GS test / collapse. Let's check it right now. So it is not working. We are using Bootstrap 5, so we should add data bs .toggle, and also here data bs target. So now let's check it, refresh it. Again not working. It is bs. Check it right now. See it, we have right now our navbar. So now let's add home page. So for that I will create another component, home folder, and also I will add home.js, and also I will create app.js here, app.js here inside React functional component, inside React app folder. I will import all the component. Now first of all, what should I do? I will import the home page here. Okay, I will just write React function component, export it, and I will use it in app.js. Okay, home, it has imported. Okay, inside home I will import the navbar. Okay, the navbar will be imported inside home, and let's assign a class name to its home, and we will assign the background to this. The background should be beige dark, and the width should be 100, and height should be vertical height should be 100. And now let's see it, and let's import after.js in index. Here I should write up and remove this one. Let's see now. Yeah, that has refreshed. See it, our navbar looks like this. Just this, the color of this should change. Okay, so let's do that. Welcome to now.js. For white color we should add here navbar dark, okay, to give the color of, so let's see it, it looks like this. Okay, it's our navbar. So now we will write something here in this home page. So let's move to the home and close this, close this, close this, also in this one. So first of all, I will create a list of link in this, okay, in this left side. So let's create a div first and assign a class name to this, icons container. Okay, and here I will write a list, and also a list of, for example, we have a link bar. Let's assign, sorry, here we will assign the link of, for example, here I would like to assign the link of GitHub. Okay, to use the icons I will write here the GitHub link, here Gmail, and here the Facebook or Google. Okay, so to use the icon I will use Bootstrap icons. Import, you can use Font Awesome or other icons. Bootstrap icons slash font slash Bootstrap so icon that make that GS, and let's check it. And I will use I icon, class name bi GitHub. So first let's check it, is it work? Body not bound, Bootstrap icon, admin.js, and admin.css. Sorry, okay. This is CSS, and see it, we have that. Okay, now I will write other icons too, same to this. And this one would be like envelope art, and this one would be like you can say Google or just Facebook. We will assign the URL links here, and let's assign a class here, icons, and also text white. Let's see it, how it looks like. Envelope, and E here, envelope art, and also let's remove this. We don't have envelope again. We will write just envelope, and also let's add some design, and we will add a home.css file, and I will write some CSS code for that. So I write this CSS code for that list. Okay, for list of icons, list container, I made that position fixed, bottom I bring that to bottom is 0, and also the container, the icons UL list type none, and the margin, and also it is after that we draw a line. See it, this line. Okay, for that I wrote this CSS code, and also I made some changes to the icons here. Style, font size, I added font styles and text secondary. So it was all about that. So now we will add our Gmail here in this area. Okay, for that I will write here, we just collapse it and write here class name, email area, mail container we can assign. Okay, and here I will write a p tag, just we can say write a p tag and write our your gmail@exam.com. Okay, after writing this I will write some CSS code for this also. Email container, and I will just write some style for that. Email container position should be fixed and bottom should be 20, or we can say 30 pixel. Then we have the p tag, we will just change the color of this, color bar gray, and also p. After fee we should control Z. After we will write the same thing as we have written here, but we will change margin 15 pixel margin. I will not write it right now. Let's see how it looks like. Oh sorry, it just came here. I will just the writing mode should be vertical, left to right, and also here the bottom this bottom is 30 pixel and right should be say 20 pixel. Let's check it. See it, it looks like this, and we should add it something else. The display should be inline block for this inline block, and let's check it now. It looks like this. Very good, and just make it 15 pixel, and also bottom right. Yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this. Okay, so now we will write other contents here in this area. So let's write that. Here I will wrap this. I will write my code. So we can write our main content here, and here I will write div, and not just I will write a p tag. Here I will write hi, my name is h1 tag. So and here I can write again h2 tag. Here we can use typewriter also. Okay, if you would like to write the typewriter, so you can write something like this. You will, first of all, you will import typewriter. It is typewriter, and here we can use our typewriter now. Typewriter. We will just add the options here now. We will add the options here. Options. To start, true, and also write loop, true. Just drop it into curly braces. Delay how many milliseconds, for example 50 milliseconds, and also strings. We can assign an array, okay, for example like this. And also we can add another. I build things for web. I am a web developer. Okay, we can use type. Remove this. Hit it here. So now I will write some text here under this. Okay. Yeah, I wrote this text, and also we can create a button. Check out more, and we can assign class name bg transparent. And first of all, let's see it. The text is in black color. Let's change the color. Yeah, just come here and just write the main, and in the main we have to this p I will assign a name, class name, hi name. Then we have h2 tag, h1, h2, and detail, and also the button. Hi name, color would be variable and cyan, and the color of h1 tag, yeah, this should be white, text white, and the color of h2 would be gray, same to main detail, and the button should be main button should be border should be variable cyan, border 1 pixels unit, and also padding should be like 5 pixel, border radius with 3 pixel. Let's check it. Yeah, it is located here. So now I'm a web developer and I build things for the web, and let's come here to the H2. Just try it in a separate. Yeah, so for the H2 I will assign text color, size, font size should be example 30 pixel, and it should be 50 pixel. Let's move it from main, margin top would be like, you can say 70 pixel, margin left be say 80 pixel. See it? Not yet. 120 pixel. Yeah, it's okay now. So to the detail, here I will add margin top. Margin top will be last pixel, and also to the button, and the button color should be variable cyan, and also let's increase the delay of 180 delay of typewriter. See it? It looks like this. Just I will change the text to the viewport whenever we are resizing the window, so the text should be resized too. So let's assign the text first of all to the H2 tag, and also to the H1, main H1. You can assign names to these tags. I just simply write these. I will assign font size would be like BW viewport. Let's see it. Size, it's bigger, it is related to 5. Yes, 5 is okay, I think. Let's add here dot, and to the, let's add it to the H2 also. It should be, we can say 7. Let's see it. I built, it's too bigger. It will be 5, and this should be 4. Yes, I think that looks like, well, yeah, it's okay now. So we have created this home page of our portfolio. So let's add design to this button also. So we Control Z. Didn't add it. So we will write something like very smooth color, and also the color should be black, or we can say color should be the BG didn't apply it, so let's make it important. It's too much. Just a second. RGBA, and the opacity should be 0.5. See it now? Okay, it looks like well now. So let's resize the page now, how it looks like. See, the text has resized also, but one thing we should do that whenever we resize the page, so I will display none these two. Okay, I will just display none them. I will add media queries. I will add the media queries here. It's a media query only screen and max width was is equal to 768 pixel. So then we will that icon container display none, and also the email container. Let's check this. So let's resize the page. See it, the has disappeared. But one thing else, whenever we resize the screen, this should came here. Okay, let's do that. Here I will add to this one. Okay, the margin we have added to the main part. Okay, the main, okay, this margin that we has added, how is it looks like? It looks like this. I will just bring it here. In the margin top should be 40 pixel and margin left should be, or I can write margin left 30 pixel, and also margin right. Let's see it. See it, it looks like this now. We have created the home page. Now we will move to the about section. Okay, so let's create the about. I will remove these, and here I will create like this home now, and come here and create a folder about the about by the name of about, and also a file about JS, and also for the CSS about that CSS. Let's move to the about section. React functional component, and also export it. We will write now code for the about section, and here assign a class name about, and the background color should be dark, and width should be 100, and height, vertical height should be 100. And let's assign now div class name row, and also we should write now to div. In the first section I should write text part, class name text. I should write about text, and this section will be for image, about image. Okay, and here I should write first of all the text h3 and span. Here I should write 01, and here I will write the about me. Here I will write a paragraph. So I wrote the paragraph. Okay, this paragraph, and also these are the technologies that I am using. So now here I will import the image. Here I should write simply, and slash. I have an image in public folder in the image, okay, in public in the image, okay, use.png. And so let's import the about in app.js. I will import it here. About, didn't import it. Yes, write it here. Let's check our design. Let's see it, how it looks like. And the text color is black. I will just add some design to the about page. Come here and just so let's add here the call 12 on smaller device, and on medium MD6, and also call LG6. I should add this to this item also, and also I will change the color to and let's first of all change the color of this. Come here and come to the about.js, about text, and here into the h3 and to the span h3, then to the span tag I should assign the color of I will use the color I used before. Yes, I should copy first of all this, paste it here, and also it's now color cyan, and also font size should be 8 pixel. So now let's see it. And import the about here. Import /about.css. Yeah, it is here, but we should add margin to this. So let's add some margin to the about. One, okay, about margin left should be 120 pixel. Oh no, sorry, we should add the margin to this one, okay, about.row. No, wrapper, and let's use it here. Check it now. 0, 1. I should increase the size to 12 pixel. Yeah, now we have it. And also I should assign style to the about me. I will just some CSS code. I will pause the video to save the time. So I have added this design, the style h3 white color, and also the span tag, this one. Yeah, this to this I designed cyan color, and the font size was 12. Let's make it 14, and also the about text wrapper, the left side. Okay, this side I have designed this, and also technology.span, I just assigned cyan color to these characters also. Okay, so now let's see what we did here. We just assigned these classes. For in medium and large size, it will take 6 parts. The screen will be in 2 parts, but on smaller devices will take 12 parts of grid system. Okay, and also to this image we added these classes. Okay, so now let's add animation. Okay, whenever we scroll down this, okay, when we scroll down this, so we will add animation to the image and to the about section. We will use AOS package which we have installed at the start. So first of all, I will import the AOS from AOS, and also the CSS file. Import AOS /AOS.css. Imported these 2 files. Now what we should do, we will just add here to this div. Okay, what we should add, data AOS is equal to, and the type of effect. Okay, for example, fade lift. Okay, from left side it will come, or fade lift top or down, different effects we have in this library. So let's add here also data AOS is equal to fade right. Let's check it. Yeah, just we should add the use effect hook. Use effect hook to this we should add the, and also here we should add the AOS.init function, and here we should add the duration. Duration would be, for example, 1500 millisecond. Let's check it, see it how it looks like. Let's come down, see, first will come from the left. Fade right, fade left. See it, now it's okay. So we did the about section. So now we will move to the services or projects part. So now let's create experience section. So first of all, I will create a folder in component, the name of experience, and in a component, .gs and also a CSS. So first, what should I do? I will React functional component export. So I will assign a class name here. The width should be 100 and also vertical height 100, and it should be deflex, and also align items center and justify content center. And now let's copy the we will come to the Bootstrap now. Tabs in Bootstrap 5. We will just copy the Bootstrap 5 tabs. Okay, we will use that for the experience, as you have seen in the demo part that we showed you the tabs. For the experience, just come here to the vertical and the vertical part. Yeah, here we have that. Yes, we will just copy this part and paste it here. We already have this part. Let's cut it here and also justify content to the center, and I will remove this one and also remove this one. Get here, that's it here. Okay, we have right now this. So now I will add my experiences here, okay, in this area. The first experience and also second one, the third one here, and the fourth one here, and also the title of the experience here. Okay, the first one is with countess, the second one would be HBT, third one ORSTW, the fourth one is the WFP. So now I will write detail for every job, for every experience. Yeah, I wrote my first experience like this. Okay, I write a paragraph, then I wrote the experience that I did. I just wrote these three, okay, and the titles, the tabs, and now I will write the same thing for, I will just copy this to not waste the time in this other part also, and also to the third one, and to the fourth one also. Yes, I wrote this. So now let's import the Bootstrap tab. Import Bootstrap /js/test/ the tab part. Okay, I will import the tabs. I imported this, so now let's see it. Close this and come here. I will just import. I should import this experience in the home, in the app.js. Okay, experience, yes, and let's copy this. Yes, that has did. So now one thing else, so let's see it first of all. Okay, I will check it. See, now we have this. Okay, we have this. Let's click this and click this. So let's see what happened to the classes. Duplex align items start, no align items center, and justify content center, width 100, vertical height 100, and BG dark. Let's see it now. See, we have this right now. We didn't change the color of this. Okay, so also we didn't change the color of this. So first let's change the color. I will just assign here text white. We have this right now. Okay, and I will just the first thing that I should style, that would be to make it I come here, make it h4 tag, and also this one. Make the h4 tag. now. So one thing is I should write here something that where I have worked, okay, on the top of this. If I make it duplex, I should set class name and align item center, justify content center with head white. These all should be here. Let's see it. Right now we can see that. So what I should do, I should wrap all these things in another div. Make it here and assign class name width 50 to this, okay. Let's see now. See it, it looks like this. The text is here, and let's do something else, that to assign a margin top here, margin top 5, okay. It looks like this. Make this text color white. Yeah, where I have worked. So now I will just try some CSS code for this to make this smaller, and also the cyan color, and also remove the underline from this link, and also assign the color from cyan to this. Okay, I will pause the video and I will do this CSS styles. So I have designed this, okay, change this and also this. So now I will just add design to this tabs, okay. I wrote this design, okay, previously, this design, this CSS code for the experience. Now I will design the tabs, okay, these tabs. So to design the tabs, what we should do, first of all, the active, we should change the color of the active and also the color of these buttons, and draw a border here on the left side. So just we will come to the left side, and here we will add a border end, okay. The border end has added, and also we will change the color of the buttons. To change the color of the buttons, so we will come just and we will just write here that experience dot now link, and now we will change the color to variable and to the gray. Let's see it. we will just add this at the start, border start. And come here, that experience. That now link, and this should be important. Let's check it now. The color didn't change. We have written this class name wrong. We change the color, and now the tab which is active, so we should add change the background color of that. Okay, we should change the background color of the center. We should decrease the size of this. Font size should be like 15 pixel. Let's see it. And also what important, it is 14 pixel now. Let's change this background color. So to change that background color, we will come here and just write something like this. Instead of now link, we will write active, the one which is active. So we will change the background color of that. That should be, we will just change that now. To be like this, and we should add the opacity. The opacity should be 0.3. okay, and also the color should be variable cyan, and also the border left should be 2 pixels. Solid. This, okay, let's check it, see it, and also let's remove the border radius. Border radius 0 pixel. See it right now. Whenever we hover on this, so we should change the color. And let's copy this. Just like this. Yeah, this should be the active one, and the active background color be something like this. The opacity should be 0.6. Yeah, see it. Click on this. Okay, we have added all of these, so we will just change these titles. Let's change the titles. Comsys. This one is the HPT. The third one is the STW. Fourth one is WV. Now it is WV. What is HPT? So it was all about where I have worked. Okay, I have added that section. So now we will add the project section. Before starting project section, first of all I will add animation to this experience page. Okay, I will just come here to the about, and I will copy these EOS files which we have imported before, and I will paste them here, and also the use effect for the duration, and paste it here, and add here data EOS is equal to zoom in. Let's check it, see it, see that has added. So now we will start the project section. Let's first of all create a folder by the name of projects and add a file. Projects about and projects, add here projects.js and also a CSS projects CSS, and come here to the projects React functional component and export it, and right here class name bg should be dark and it would be 100, and let's move to the Bootstrap. Let's come here to the Bootstrap cards. Okay, when you come to the Bootstrap cards, come to this grid card section. Now they came here and just copy this code and just simply paste it here. Yeah, paste it here. Come here, just move it here and close the images, and close this. Come here, close this one also, and also this one. So after adding these, so now let's add a container div, class name container, Control X, and wrap this out, paste that here, move it forward, and also come here and add h3, add a span tag here, right here 03, and out here my work I have done. Okay, work projects and add a class name here. Finding x would be 5 and finding type also 5, and let's come here, and here we should have 3. We have 3 projects, and the last one I should remove this one. Yes, remove this one. We have only 3 projects, and add here finding x the 5. Let's see it how it looks like. We didn't import that, so let's import it in the app.js projects. Import it, Control-X, and come here, just save it and come here. Yeah, we have this. Let's change this color. So come here to that folder, this should be finding 5, and this should be text white, and this text should be changed to the cyan color. I will add a class name projects, and I will come to the projects and just write here, come here to the about, copy this, come here to the project, paste it here, remove this, and we have here projects class, then h3 and span color would be this and this. It was didn't add it. So let's import the css file here. Import projects.css. Let's see it. Yeah, we have this right now, and let's add images to these cards. So I have images, these 3 images. I will use them now in the images part. Okay, here I will write slash first of all java portal.png, and the second would be online code.jpg. The third one would be social media.png. Save it and let's check it. Appreciate. We don't have the images right now. I should write image folder with them. Images slash, and here also images slash, here also images slash. See it, we have now these cards. So let's add a buttons in the bottom. So first of all I will change the title. This one is job portal, and this is the online voting system, and this is the social media and I will create a button at the end. Let's create button here, and that would be load more, and let's design it. Class name bg transparent, and let's copy this and paste it here and also here. We did it. Let's see it. Yeah, online voting system, load more. I will just change the text to the center. Come here and just assign a class text center. The text should be in the center now. So let's just decrease the text a little bit. Paragraph. So I will write some CSS code for projects. So I will pause the video, then I will start that. Yeah, so I write some CSS code for my cards or projects. Okay, CSS codes, I change this. So let's see it, which I have applied. For the card I have applied transform scale 1.1 whenever VH over on card. So perform this, then the transition into second, and card body color we changed the card body, and also the button we changed, and whenever we each over on button we change some settings. Okay, it is the CSS code that we have applied in our project section. So now let's add the animation to this. Okay, to add the animation, first of all I will copy these 3 files. Yes, then I will copy this also. Ctrl+C. Let's set it here, and let's now apply on our cards. Okay, On this one, let's perform the data. AOS is equal to, this should be fade left, okay, from left side. Copy this and come to another one here. This should be zoom in or zoom out. You can check AOS library, zoom in, and for this one it should be fade right. Let's see it. Come see it. Just change it to left and change it to right. Now let's see it. See it? We have this. So now let's add the last part, which is the contact with us. So let's add that. For that, first of all, I will create another folder. Yeah, here in the component, that should be contact. Contact.js and also contact.css. So let's come to the contact.js component and export it. So let's add class here, width should be 100 and vertical height 100, background dark, and show it duplex, and should be deflex, and flex should be column, and justify content center line items center. And let's add here the text that we would like to add. The first thing should be a feed tag about, that should be, let's add it here. What's next? Okay, it is 4 with us, and here we will write what is next, and here I will write h1 get in touch. I will add another paragraph now here. I wrote this paragraph, and the last, let's add a button. And the button we should write like say hello. Okay, and let's add a class name bg transparent, and also we will rough these all in a div. Class name, it should be 50 for this. We will add some design to this. Okay, now let's see it. Let's import it first of all. Contact should be imported here. See it, and the text, we should change the color of text. Come here to the column, and let's just copy this to this one, and we will change the color of this. Here I will assign a class name contact, to this p tag I will assign a class name here I will write dot contact dot what color should be cyan. This okay, and let's import contact in the contact section and import dot slash contact dot css. And what else? We should change the color of get and share touch, that should be white. Class name text white, and instead of this all I should write text center. And what else? The color of this, I should change the color of this. Class name detail dot contact dot detail color so let's copy this. Gray dot contact and button. We will design the button now. The border should be 1 pixel solid or cyan, and also the padding should be 5 pixel. And let's check it now. It looks like this, and I should change the color of button too. Let's color gray. It should be padding button should be 5 pixel, last pixel. Border radius should be 4 pixel. See it, we have this button. Whenever we edge over on this button, it should change. This. Yes. See it. Yeah, we have this. Right now we have this. So now let's add the footer. I will add the footer directly to here. Footer.js, React function component export, and in the footer I should write. So for this I will write bg dark, and let's write here designed and built the love I will just a little bit design to this shirt. Okay, I will pause the video. So I wrote just this design for footer. It is the footer. Okay, see it how it looks like. It looks like this. Okay, so it was all about the, so we can just add links to these. Okay, I will add links whenever we click on this. In this it just goes to that part. So I have added links. I added ID and the experience, project and contact. Okay, I have added IDs here and I linked here in the Navbar. Okay, added here a strip about experience and the projects. Let's see it. So first of all, click on the experience. See it will come to the experience, the contact. It will goes to the context. So this was the personal portfolio in React.js with Bootstrap. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.